Log into the 711Proxy website. Click Proxy Setup and API. In the left sidebar, select Residential Proxies. Select API. Add the local address to the whitelist before API access. Click Add Now. Confirm adding whitelist. Choose a plan type. Select country/region. Setting the number of proxies to generate. Selecting proxy protocols, formats, and separator. Click to generate. Open link. API obtained successfully, you can start using. Go to Google and click on the BP Proxy Switcher icon. Hit Edit. Select proxy type. Enter IP port extracted from 711Proxy. Pick the configured proxy. Test the proxy, and when successful, you can start using it. Thanks for watching.